Hello everyone, I'm going to show you my app. It's called coexpense, and the idea is for a group to be able to track the expenses they're having, both as a part of a group and individually. I'm going to sign in with my example user. First, here you see all the groups you belong to, and you're able to see to each group. You can either have actions that are related to being a group admin, or you can exit a group if you're not the admin. To start with, I'm going to show you the details of this group. The first thing you see is all the members they belong here and what's the status if you're either the admin, and in that case you can remove group members. Here you have the details of how each expense is, each member has between their expenses categorized in the different categories they have, and you can show the detail of all the expenses. You can either edit here or delete any of the expenses. If you want to create a new expense, for instance, you come here and you can say I want to spend this amount of money in Mariano's. This is just for me, and this is grocery, and this drop down will only show you the groups you belong to. And for instance, this you say is for the music band group, and you create that expense. So this is the expense tag that shows you every expense you have. Now you go to the group, you go to the music band. Here it shows you the details of how you've been spending the money. Here you cannot remove people because you're not the admin of the group, but you can choose to exit this group, so you're no longer there. For the soccer, you can decide to add members. You can choose Bob, that's the only one you're missing. And if you want to add a member that already exists, it doesn't let you, which is something that we want. And you can choose to remove members of this group. Here Bob is no longer part of the soccer group. And here where you could exit the group, you can change the group name, and you can also delete the group. This group no longer exists. And the interesting thing to see is that my expenses that were before part of the soccer group are now, they are not deleted, they're part because that expense exists, but the group name has changed to non-applicable. As I showed you, you can edit each expense. Here you choose the date and the expense is there, and for these groups you can say, okay, this now belongs to the family group, and you can change the expenses that way and nothing will break. Okay, I hope you like the app and you find